Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Thursday, November 17th. It is 7 p.m. Central Time. I want to look at the US dollar, the S&P, and the Nasdaq. So let's get started. Looking at the US dollar index, this is the 4-hour chart. And we're still down in this range over here. And I still see this as we're making an A, a B, and we're coming down for C. So on Tuesday, I'm going to zoom in here. Tuesday, I said, we had this impulse up. And I was expecting price to come into this range and get rejected. So from the B up here, I got this ABC, ABC. And I have all of this coming down as just the A wave of the third wave. And sure enough, today we just pierced into this box. So I see this as coming down as A. Here's the impulse up, correction, and then this was an ending diagonal up. So let's zoom in here. So now we got our A. I believe the B is in, and now we're starting to come down for the C. So bulls are going to look at this and say, no, that this was the bottom. Here's an impulse. So like here's a 1, a 2, and a 3, or like an A, B, a C. And now this A, B, C that I have, that'll be 2, and now price is going to start going up. So this will be a key area. This ABC, if we start to approach back to the top of this, what I got B candle, which was 107.24. If we start coming back up here, gonna have to revisit this. Could be making a leading diagonal going up. So then that's things will change for me. So this will be a key area. So we got an ABC. So now I don't know if the C is done yet, but it should be making a little correction up and then start. So I expect that this is going to come down as an ending diagonal for the C wave. So then we'll have A, B, C, and this will be 3, and then 3 up and 3 down for 4 and 5, and then the dollar will be done. So that's the dollar. Let's look over at the S&P. This is the ES futures contract, 1 hour. And so here's last Thursday, that big CPI reading, big explosion off of that. So I had this, here's a leading diagonal I had for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now this did make what could be an ABC right here for the fifth wave. So the S&P, it does not need to come back up and break the top. And it's kind of starting to sink here. But when I look at the Nasdaq, I've looked at this several times. This low that was made Thursday before this, or right at when the CPI came out, came down here, and I got all of this as a leading diagonal coming up. And because this is an ending diagonal for the fifth wave, which would be the C, we need 3 waves. So it's 1, this is correction 2, and up for 3. So it's pierced through this zone that I had. Now that zone doesn't have to hold. That's just a typical retracement zone. It did pierce through, and now it's starting to push up. So just like the dollar, this is a critical area that this has to hold. If it starts coming back down to what, 11,528, I'm going to start to get suspect that my counts might be off, and there actually might be a 1, 2, 3 here instead of what I've got for 5 waves. So this will be a key area. In the next, I would think tomorrow or Monday, we should have some resolution on whether they're coming back to retest this low or just going to, they had a strong move up here from 7 this morning just kind of straight up, little correction, and then it starting to push back up here. Futures right now, it's actually starting to fall again, but this could all be just correction. It looks like a 1 2 3 up and 1 2 3 into this support area, and so this could be 1 2 3 going up. So this could be just correction for this up move. So keep an eye on this area. I believe if we do break above here, that this will be creating. Well, right now it looks like it could be creating like an ending diagonal coming up. But if it comes back down and breaks below even 11,628, I'm going to get real suspect, and the more it drops down, going to have to visit in here, because there might be 3 waves coming up. So just a quick review on those markets. Let me know your thoughts and what you're thinking. Thanks for watching. Good luck to you all. See you later.